Welcome to Quiz Rad, the best place for fun, interactive quizzes. Understanding credit and debt, the do's and don'ts, credit cards, credit scores, debt. These things impact our financial future, but how much do you really understand? There are so many myths about credit. Let's set the record straight. You'll have 25 questions with 10 seconds to answer each one. Let's find out if you're financially savvy or if it's time for a money makeover. Let's dive in. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Quiz Rad in 3, 2, 1. Ready? Let's go! Which of the following is the most effective way to avoid credit card debt? Only spend what you can pay off monthly. Pay just the minimum due. Or open multiple cards to spread expenses. Only spend what you can pay off monthly. What is a grace period in credit terms? Time after the due date with no penalty. Extra days added to your billing cycle. Or a one-time waiver of interest. Time after the due date with no penalty. How does a hard inquiry affect your credit score? No effect at all. Slight temporary drop. Or it improves your score long term. Slight temporary drop. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? Checking your credit score often will lower it. Yes, you are right. It's false. Soft inquiries like checking your own score don't impact your credit. Which of these might reduce your credit score unexpectedly? Applying for several new loans in a short time, paying off a loan early, or having one credit card. Applying for several new loans in a short time. Which behavior shows you're credit responsible? Closing unused credit cards. Using less than 30% of your limit. Or making purchases on multiple cards at once. Using less than 30% of your limit. Which of these can hurt your score the most over time? Not checking your credit report, carrying multiple cards, or missing payments regularly. Missing payments regularly. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to Quiz Rad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. What's the best time to pay your credit card bill? After the due date, on payday, Or before or on the due date. Before or on the due date. What can negatively impact your credit, even if it seems positive? Paying more than the minimum. Closing your oldest credit account. Or getting a credit limit increase. Closing your oldest credit account. How often can you check your credit report for free in most countries? Once a month. Once every 12 months. Or once a year from each bureau. Once a year from each bureau. Did you know your credit score can be impacted by library fines or parking tickets? If they go unpaid and are sent to collections, they can sneak onto your credit report. What does a credit bureau do? Gives financial advice, tracks and reports your borrowing behavior, or issues credit cards. Tracks and reports your borrowing behavior. What's the best way to start building credit with no history? Use a secured credit card responsibly. Apply for a personal loan. Or wait until you earn more money. Use a secured credit card responsibly. Which of the following won't help your credit score? Paying bills on time, ignoring unused accounts, or managing balances. Ignoring unused accounts. It's memory time. Remember the positions of these images. Okay, now tell me, this image is on which number? Yes, you are right! What's the benefit of maintaining a good credit score? Lower insurance premiums, higher tax returns, or better discounts in stores? Lower insurance premiums. How can you spot identity theft on your credit report? Missed payments, new accounts you didn't open, or a lower score? New accounts you didn't open. You paid off a credit card but didn't close it. What happens? It can help your score. It resets your credit. Or it adds debt again. It can help your score. Can you guess the odd one out? Yes, you found it! What's a common credit trap new users fall into? Using cards to build credit, paying in full, or treating credit like free money. Treating credit like free money. Why do lenders care about your credit mix? It shows diversity in your borrowing. It shows your savings. Or it increases interest. It shows diversity in your borrowing. What should you do if you can't make a payment on time? Hide it. Contact the creditor to make arrangements. Or cancel the card. Contact the creditor to make arrangements. Would you rather have unlimited credit but never be able to use cash? Or always have to pay with cash but never build a credit score? Comment down below. What is the effect of maxing out your credit card? Boosts your score, lowers your credit utilization, or raises your credit risk. Raises your credit risk. What happens if your account goes to collections? Your score may drop significantly. You avoid paying. Or your card is upgraded. Your score may drop significantly. What should you do with a store credit card offer if you don't shop there often? Accept it for better rewards. Consider the interest rates and avoid unnecessary credit. Use it once, then cancel it. Consider the interest rates and avoid unnecessary credit. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to Quiz Rad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. Why is it smart to set up autopay for your credit card? It helps automate minimum payments. It locks your account. It builds emergency savings. It helps automate minimum payments. Which factor has the biggest impact on your credit score? Income level, payment history, or age of account? payment history. How does using less than 10% of your available credit help you? Keeps your card active. Looks financially responsible to lenders. Or reduces interest rates. Looks financially responsible to lenders. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? Keeping your credit utilization below 30% can help maintain a healthy credit score. Yes, you are right, it's true. Low utilization signals responsible credit use to lenders. Why might someone want to avoid credit card cash advances? They are convenient. They increase your credit limit. Or they come with high fees and interest. They come with high fees and interest. That's the end of today's financial journey. Whether you're building credit or managing debt, understanding these concepts can help you take control of your financial future. Remember, smart money habits today lead to financial freedom tomorrow. If you found this quiz helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more personal finance tips. See you in the next Money Smart Quiz.